Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Wordy Wednesday. This week's theme is animals, so we will be reading the amazing animal alphabet. The amazing animal alphabet. A is for acrobatic alligator. B is for breakdancing bear. C is for cannonball cat. And D is for DJing dog. E is for the exploring elephant, and F is for the fire-breathing frog. G is for the guitar-playing goat, and H is for the hula-hooping hippopotamus. I is for the ice-skating iguana. J is for the juggling jellyfish. K is for the kickboxing kangaroo, and L is for the line-dancing lion. M is for the motorbiking monkey, and N is for the noisy newt. O is for the officer orangutan, and P is for the parachuting pig. Q is for the queen quail, and R is for the roller skating rabbit. I roller skate too. S is for the skateboarding snail, and T is for the trampolining tiger. U is for the undercover urchin. V is for the violin playing vulture. W is for the water skiing whale. X is for the boxing fox, and Y for the yo-yoing yak. And finally Z is for the zip wiring zebra. Wow! Aren't those animals all so clever with all those talents? I really hope you enjoyed this week's Wordy Wednesday with the amazing animal alphabet. Let us know which animal you'd like to be and which talent you would like to have. And we'll see you all very soon for another video. Goodbye guys.